friends, welcome to the Friendly Frog Treehouse. My name is Miss Veronica. I'm so excited about today. Today in the treehouse, I'm gonna show you a new fruit. It's a new fruit, boys and girls, but I have a clue for you. See if you can guess what kind of fruit it is. So boys and girls, it's a mystery fruit. So let me give you a clue. This fruit has 5 of something. Can you guess what it is? Oh, yes you can. Think. Put on that light bulb. Hit that special button so it stays on all day. Boop. Boys and girls, you can guess. You can do it. Remember, you can do all things through Christ Jesus who gives you strength. Let me give you another clue. So this fruit has 5 things. So let me put 5 things on here and explain it a little more, okay? Come on, come count with me. Come on, you can do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 5 things that my fruit has is 5 points. Did you think of it? It has 5 points, boys and girls. 5 points. Come on, boys and girls, do it. You can do it. Come on. You need another clue? Okay, close your eyes. Come on, close them. No peeking. Samantha, close your eyes. Jeremiah, I see you peeking. All right. Peekaboo! It's a star. Boys and girls, the fruit that I'm going to show you has 5 points like this star. Are you ready to see it? Okay, close your eyes. Are we going to do this again? Thank you, boys and girls. Close your eyes. Peekaboo! Here it is. Do you know what this is? Boys and girls, this is a... Yeah, it's also a star fruit. Another name for star fruit is carambola. Can you say that with me? Carambola. Yeah, so boys and girls, this fruit is found in Indonesia. Let's cut it open and see what it looks like. Come on. All right, boys and girls, I'm so excited. So you might want to get your grown-ups help to cut this, okay? So boys and girls, when you cut, I think this marker's very curious to see what it's going to be. So boys and girls, it keeps rolling. So when you cut it, you don't want to cut it in the middle. You want to cut it here. So get a grown-up to help you. Whoa, look at what it looks like. What does that look like? Yes, it looks like a star with 5 points. Let's keep cutting it. Whoa, boys and girls. I see why they call this star fruit. It looks just like little stars. Whoa. Make sure I get my hands back. This is very, very sharp. Whoa, boys and girls, take a closer look. Oh, it's star fruit. Have you ever eaten star fruit before? You haven't? Well, I think today's our day to taste it. Now, the skin can be eaten, but it has to be washed off very good. All right, my friends, I'm gonna give it a taste. What do you think it tastes like? Give me a thumb up if you think it tastes sweet. Let's make a graph. So if you think it tastes sweet, we're going to do a thumb up. If you think it tastes sour, we're gonna do a thumb down. So let's put sour on this side. And if you think it has no taste in the middle, put your hand flat. So we're gonna do thumbs up for sweet, thumbs down for sour, and flat for in the middle. Right here. All right. I think it's going to be sweet. I'll give myself 1 point there. What do you think? Sweet? What do you think? Sour? What do you think? No? No? You think it's not going to taste like anything? Another person. Sweet? Oh my goodness, boys and girls. There are too many guesses. Let's give it a taste. Wow. Boys and girls. Sorry. Actually, it doesn't have any taste. So the people in the middle were the winners. To me, it's not sweet or sour. If you want to try this fruit, ask your mom and dad or your grandma or your auntie or maybe your cousin if they'll go to the store and buy you a little star fruit so you can take the test at home. All right, my friends, I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.